This is Jordan Schoolmaker. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, jeez! Oh my gosh! So anyway, this is Jordan Schoolmaker, and I'm at the park. Bill, this is my cousin's Phillips RC helicopter. I mean, sorry. I had no. Oh, there goes. Where the, oh no! Oh. Where the heck did it go?
Jordan, stop!
Ashley. Darn Ash. Stupid Ashley. I hope she dies. Just kidding, Mom. Oh my gosh, that thing's almost killed us. Yippee-ki-yay. Let's see if we can fly this bad baby again. That thing almost killed me. And this is Sony. Wait, this is the part 2. This is part 2 of Phillips RC helicopter. And so anyway, that's all for the show. So I will make another YouTube video until